Now, a bread knife is just what you need for cutting bread, especially sourdough loaves and baguettes that have a really crispy crust. But there are some surprising uses too. The large size and serrated blade of a bread knife is excellent for cutting the tough, rough skin off a pineapple, and I'm going to show you how. Firstly, place the pineapple on its side and cut off the end, just like this. And then turn it around for the other side. With both ends cut off, it's easy to stand the pineapple upright like this, so you're ready for the next step. Starting at the top of the pineapple, just like this, move your knife back and forth as you slice down the side of the pineapple, following the natural curve of the fruit to remove the strip of the skin. Make sure not to cut off too much flesh. Turn the pineapple a little and continue slicing like this until all the skin is removed. Then just chop or slice the flesh as your recipe requires. You can either leave the eyes of the pineapple in or use a utility knife to carefully remove them. Just like this, really simple, just carve that eye out just like that. And there you have it, really easy. For more tips on knife skills, click on the videos below.